Welcome to the Limestone District School Board mobile app. In this tutorial, we are going to go over some of the ways this app is going to help keep you in the loop and on top of what's happening in your student's school and across the Limestone District School Board. Let's begin by downloading the app from either the App Store for Apple devices or Google Play for Android devices. Simply type Limestone District School Board in the search bar. Once you have found the app, select Download. Then, when your download is complete, open the app. For the best results, allow the Limestone District School Board mobile app to access your location and to send you push notifications. Now we're on the main page of the mobile app. Let's start by looking at how to subscribe to a school. This will keep you in touch with any school's news and calendar feed. Select the hamburger menu in the top left corner of the screen. Then select Choose Your Schools, then Schools. This will take you to a list of all the schools in the Limestone District School Board. Here you can turn on notifications for as many schools as you like. Now, all you have to do is head back home and select the Events button. This will take you to a list of all of the calendar events for your subscribed schools. Select an event and then click Add to Calendar to add to your personal calendar. Now head back home and scroll through the main page to see the newsfeed from all of your subscribed schools. Select any story to read it in full. Now head back to the main page and scroll back up to the board. To get information about school closure and bus cancellations, select the Notifications button. Here you will get a list of notifications. Simply select one to get more details. Now let's head back to the main menu and select the Schools option. This will pull up a list of all of the schools in the Limestone District School Board, as well as a map of their locations. The mobile app List of Schools makes it easy to look up details about a particular school. Simply select the school, and you will be redirected to that school's information, along with their address, a map, phone number, website, and Twitter handle. Now let's follow the arrows in the top left corners to head back to the main page. If you want to view your messages from the School Messenger app or report your child's absences, select the Absences and Messages button. This will automatically redirect you to the School Messenger app. Check out our School Messenger app tutorials for a more in-depth look at how the School Messenger app works. There are, of course, many other features for you to explore, such as register your child, social media, busing, and athletics. But this should be enough to get you started with the Limestone District School Board mobile app, a great way to stay in the loop.